Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
You know, when you decide to work on yourself and then you're discovering so many things about yourself, how you react to some situations, how you get work done, how you cope under pressure, and like stuff like that, right? I'm looking at myself from a third person's perspective, if that makes sense. I'm looking at myself the way I would look at a child, right? And then I'm trying to correct the child, or I'm trying to help the child learn something. That's how I'm looking at myself now. I'm looking at myself as Lumazing trying to teach Lumbanya something. Now here's the catch. The difference between where I am and where I want to be is me doing something about it. I think there's a quote that says that. That's not from my brain, but I've read that somewhere. And it's true. No matter what you are going through, if you want to get out of that slump, you want to get out of whatever it is, you need to do something about it. The question is, what do you need to do? What do I need to do? How am I feeling? I'm feeling overwhelmed. Okay, I wrote this down. For me, I like to write. I feel like I think better when I write. So I wrote this down here. Let me show you here. First question was, how am I feeling? I feel overwhelmed. I feel behind in my studies. I feel under pressure. I feel like I'm going to fail. Unfortunately, one thing that I noticed is I tend to fixate on the outcome of me not doing something rather than doing the actual thing, you know? When you're thinking, oh my gosh, this is going to go wrong, and then you stay in your head thinking of all the possible ways it's going to go wrong and how you're going to feel when it goes wrong. But sis, you have so much time to do something and prevent it from going wrong. Why aren't you doing something about it? Second question I asked myself was, why? Why do I feel that way? Because I have so much schoolwork to do, so much catching up to do, so many assessments I need to study for, and so many things I need to plan for. Like, it's just a lot. I need to edit videos, I need to do this and do that. And I want to do all those things. There's nothing that I am willing to take away right now. So that's why I feel overwhelmed. The other question I ask myself is, okay, what am I doing about it? Now, it's not about your situation. It's not about where you come from. It's not about how you were brought up. It's not about any of that. It's about where you are now and what you're doing about it. You continue blaming your situation. You continue blaming your upbringing. You continue blaming this and that and the next person. What about you? What role are you playing? Because it's your life. Okay, it's your life. It's you. What are you doing about it right now? Yeah, I asked myself that, and clearly I'm not doing anything. I was asleep. Yo, I'm just like, the only thing I'm doing is worrying about how much work I need to do, which isn't helpful. So now I made a list of what I need to do. I just wrote everything that's like bothering me that I need to look at and I haven't been looking at. And we have Mr. M's work I need to study for his test. I need to actually study from lecture 1 because I don't think I understand anything he's been teaching so far. We have a physics test that's coming up and physics tutorial sheets that I need to go through. Then I have my lab reports that I need to do. And my lab reports are a bit scary because each time I go to the lab, I'm in 4th year, right? But then I'm repeating physics. So I need to go to the lab to do physics. Great. Each time I go to the lab, there are people asking me like, but how come you're repeating this course? And then now I need to explain that, oh, I didn't do well. I failed. And so I'm repeating. Like, bro, if you see a 4th year, isn't it just automatic at, like, why do you have to ask? Why do you have to remind me? So that makes me feel sometimes. But I know, don't care what people are asking or thinking. Is your education. I get that. It's just that sometimes you feel that way, you know. And the other thing I need to do is Mr. J's work in R. One of my courses required me to program, and I haven't been like programming because first I didn't have the R thing. I felt lazy to download it, and then even when I did download it, I didn't do the work because I was already behind, and since I was behind, I felt even more behind and didn't want to do the work because I was behind, which makes me extra behind. Like, trust me, someone who's behind and watching this, you totally understand what I'm talking about. But again, how are you behind and watching this? You're supposed to be doing your work. Anyway, this was a very long introduction and a very like big rant of me just like pouring out my heart. So in this vlog, I'm not going to be behind, okay? I'm just going to do everything that I have to do.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and
I just got done getting ready. I look so cute in a lab coat. Maybe I should have done medicine. I'm kidding. I have friends who do medicine and they're like, it's more than the lab coat do. It's like, bro, we're losing our minds. My heart goes out to all medical students. We love you so much for everything you go through just so you can save our lives when we get sick. Love you so much. So come with me to do my lab. I think I look nice. Cheese. And this is your reminder to get work done. Don't just be saying, oh, I need to do this, I need to do that, I need to do. Actually get up and do it, because you saying it doesn't make a difference. Remember, your brain doesn't understand language, your brain understands action. So if you'll be talking and talking and talking about what you need to do, your brain won't understand anything and you won't do anything. But when you get up and actually do it, then your brain's like, oh, we're supposed to do this. So I challenge you. If you have a pending assignment, pending research, pending reading, pending studying, pending work you're supposed to do, don't talk about it, just do it. Let's go.
Now I'm taking my book for submission, and that means I'm done with all my labs. I'm so excited. Where am I supposed to take this book? I think it's here. Is it? Yeah, I think it's here. Anyway, let me just submit my book. I'm so proud of myself. I met Henry.
Hey guys! I can't believe I met Lou!
In the flesh. In the
Amazing!
flesh.
So beautiful! Wow!
Oh my goodness, Henry. It was nice meeting you. Oh my gosh, I need to buy lozenges for this. But as I was saying, I'm done with my labs. So excited. I'm super gassed that I'm done with my labs, bro. Like, we're done. Done, 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 done.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew.
Hi. It's currently 3 a.m. I don't feel sleepy at all because I slept during the day and after my physics test, which, by the way, was a good 7 out of 10. Anyway, the time's currently 3. Oh, I think I said that. Yikes.
Guys, my hair is giving understanding girlfriend. I don't know. I just decided to do my laundry.
I'm overheated, can hardly sleep at night, doing crazy dreaming. You're the reason why.
Mwelesa, I need a washing machine in my life. Because this white gown is not cute. It just looks nice when you're wearing it in the videos and the pictures. But the washing, yay! Guys, if by the time I'm getting married, we're doing Fema Chilanga Mulilo, Fema, what's that? Achan? Kitchen party, what? As the YouTube committee, please just buy for me a washing machine. Thank you. It's not like I can't wash. I can. I mean, you're seeing. But I just don't like washing, so. Yeah. Anyway, we continue with the music.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here